I recently traveled to Kribi. It is an amazing experience. In this series, I share everything on how my trip and stay in Kribi was, the things I did and the places I visited. My day 3 in Kribi. This is Prince Melvin in Kribi. Hi guys, good morning, and this is day 3 of my trip in Kribi. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, do me a favor to subscribe, like the video and share. I've already had 3 episodes dropped, and yes, this is the last day of my trip, but we still have one place we are going to, and I will take you guys to that place into the video. We are leaving the apartment. Actually, we already packed out our things, put them in the car, so we are going to the next location before we leave the city of Kribi. So come along with me into this video and let's get to discover other things. So we're gonna say goodbye to the apartment. It's an amazing stay here though. We finally left the guest house and we're heading to the next location, where we decided to stop by this boulangerie to get something to eat. Yes, I got myself yogurt and the sugar balls. Sugar balls are beignets which they put sugar on it, which is so sweet. Then we decided to look at how the place looks like. So we have this place. We are going to the pygmy site. They say there's a river that we have to cross here. I have a cramp. Oh God, I have a cramp. My leg. But it's going to be fine. So let's go there and see how it looks like. This place is going actually good. There is somewhere there that looks like an island. Right deep inside, you can see a ship right deep inside. I think they do fishing here because there is a net inside there. It's a little beach here. It's like a gym center that way. They are doing some gymming up there, carrying iron and all the rest. I spot a fall there, mini fall. I think we should go closer. Wow, this is lovely. This is amazing. Woo! I just wish I could go where that guy is standing under there and take some pictures. Some people in the canoe there. Wow. Ooh. You can see the beauty. This looks lovely. natural, small falls as the waters are coming down. It's amazing. It's a good touristic site. If you come to Kribi, ensure to visit this place. Just have a tour of this place. It's so amazing. They say the pygmies have a small village over there or wherever, so we have to cross with a boat to go there.
A few moments later.
We came to this place, which is the actual location where anyone going to visit the pygmies village will come to get a canoe here. At this point, we're negotiating how many people are going to the village. We are 4 of us that had to go there, and we're also negotiating the price per person. It's a kind of amount. So what caught my attention were the men at this place. They actually just put soap on their body, then they just get into the river, swim, and come out. They've already taken a bath, and I was like, wow. So I also got to look at the things we bought for the pygmies. We got them some rice, whiskey, and other stuff, and getting into the canoe where our trip had to begin. This is actually my second time being in a canoe, but in the look of things, this journey is going to take a while. So let's begin our journey inside the river and see how it's going to look like. There's no hippopotamus, there's no crocodile.
You say only a fish.
A fish inside.
You don't have anything.
Hippopotamus, no crocodile. One thing about me is that I like to try things. When they say there was no hippopotamus or crocodile in the water, I was like, okay, let's see. I put my hands in the water, so I wanted to feel how the water looks like. We had no life jackets on us. So as we're going along, I discovered that the canoe man wasn't actually taking us deep into the water, like in the middle of the water. He was paddling with us at least at the corners of the water. And in another thought, I thought of it that he was doing so in case something happens and he can actually be able to rescue us. I hope you are enjoying the canoe ride with us. See you all in the pygmies village in the next episode.